Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we are back with our Series 7 smartwatch, one of the first Series 7 smartwatch in the market, and we have here one of the first Series 8 smartwatch in the market. So what we are going to talk about on this video is the design. We're going to focus more on the design. As the Apple Watch 8 is coming, what will be the look of the Series 8 smartwatch? Will it still look like the Series 7? Okay, Apple Watch 7 or Apple Watch 6. So the Apple Watch 7 and the Apple Watch 8 do have a look like this, or do have a design like this. Okay, curve, rounded edge, okay, crown button and pill shape button here, fashionable trendy design, or okay, a flat frame. Okay, this is the first manufacturers of clone smartwatches thought that this will be the look of the Series 7, but there's a talk, okay, a rumor that the Series 8 smartwatch will look like this, a flat frame. Okay, so what do you think? As you can see here, very different approach. So there's a rumor that this is going to be the design of the Series 8. It will be like this, flat frame, still it has a crown button and a pill shape button, while for the Series 8 7, okay, just like this one. Okay, so again, for the Series 8, there's a rumor that it will be like this. Okay, but there's also some news, okay, that the Series 8, okay, will have no difference, okay, or there's just only a slight difference when it comes to the design with the Series 7 and of course the Series 6 Apple Watch. Okay, but we're going to look at the design here, which is better, okay, a flat frame here or a curved rounded edge. Okay, as you can see here, they almost have the same size here, but I think this one, it still looks fashionable here. This one, it looks trendy, much better, I think, compared to a flat frame. Anyway, hopefully they will have a new design, okay, for the Series 8. Okay, whether it's curved or flat, as long as it has a design that differentiate it from the Series 7 and the Series 6 models. Okay, so here again, let's have a look. Okay, this is the rumored new design of the Series 8. Okay, and so far this is although this is marketed as a Series 8, the design is still the same with a Series 7 and a Series 6 smartwatch. Okay, so let's have a closer look here. Flat frame or rounded edges, which is better? So please drop a comment below. Okay, so what design do you prefer? Okay, so that's it. Just an inquiry, okay, a survey showing you, of course, okay, both, or showing you the design of the smartwatches. Okay, so if you have any comment suggestions, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.